Alright, wiring this Intellitronix gauge. There's some wires that need to get cut, or one. The orange wire on the back of the gauge, you can see there's a couple of loops, a blue and an orange. You need to cut the orange to get the appropriate ohm rating for the fuel sender that's used in the FXR. The yellow, which is marked on the directions as a pressure switch, is the one that goes to the center contact on the fuel sender. Black is going to be ground, so it needs to go to ground tab on fuel sender and negative either to chassis or to the battery, which we're testing with. Red is going to be 12 volt or the ignition, and to battery right here. Alright, testing. We have the arm swung all the way up for full. Now we swing it down to empty. This gauge moves nice and slow, so it's not going to dance all over the place while you're riding. Alright, that's it. Thanks for checking out my channel. Subscribe or check back from time to time for any other tech info or other crap that I decide to put up here. Slowest title ever.